it is done. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's just so cute. So proud of the accomplishment that I made. That's inside and yeah, outside, but still needs to go in. I'll fix that later. But oh my gosh, all that hard work and it is done. So that is all of making this, and I hope you guys enjoyed. As challenging as it might be, it's so cute and I'm happy about it, and yeah, it's totally worth the money. So maybe stay tuned for another one. I don't know, won't be for a while, but there we go, and then we have it. Yay! Bye!